Okay, the cat jumped up, knocked my lamp off the desk and broke it. It's a halogen bulb, so I'm sure that's what broke. I like the style of this lamp, but I never really liked that it was a halogen. I mean, it gave out some pretty good light, but the base always got super hot, and this always got super hot, which was never good. It's just from a thrift store. It wasn't an expensive lamp anyways. We're gonna measure some voltage up here, see if it's AC or DC. Driving this lamp, I have a feeling it's just a transformer down here, and we're just driving it with 12 volts AC, but 12 volts, 20 watts. So we got some power up there that we can use to replace this with some LEDs. Let's get busy. And I don't know if we can see that, but definitely got the filament busted out of the bulb. It's laying down in the bottom of the bulb. So she's no good. If you're going to replace this with a new halogen bulb, make sure to not touch the bulb or the new bulb. You can touch the dead bulb. Keep that bulb for a little bit because I might use the pins off of it. So I got a couple little circuit board thingies, circuit board things. The smallest one looks like it'll be just fine going in. You can cut it down, jam it in there. Oh, that's right, I wanted to measure the voltage. There we go. 13.2 AC. Alright, I've been doing a little more thinking and working, and I kind of worked through my circuit. Fit 12 of these in my area I got, and it works fine in the circuit. I still need 4 of these, so a pack of 10 is fine. And then I want to put 4 of these little surface mount blue LEDs on the top of the board, because that lamp has like a translucent top to let light through, and I think that might look kind of cool to have some little surface mount LEDs showing blue through that top translucent area. And then I went ahead and I'm going to buy some 0.56 microfarad capacitors, 3 legs of the clear ones, 3 groups of 4, and then I have a group of 4 of the little blue surface mounts. So I'm going to do one of these on each leg, further filter it, and also have an electrolytic filter the main DC coming off the rectifier. I'm not going to buy that electrolytic here because I have a whole bunch of them I just bought. I'm sure I have one that'll work. This one is really close to the 2 1/8, so it's about 2.12. So that's really close to my maximum diameter. Hopefully you can see that there. 2 1/4 inch hole saw. That's the outside diameter. I'm really looking for the inside diameter. And I'm going to chuck this baby up in my drill press and not use the center drill so that I don't have a hole in the middle of my circuit board. Okay, here's the setup with here. You got the board screwed to this block. I got it clamped onto the drill press table so it shouldn't move around. I got the 2 1/4 inch hole saw chucked up in the drill press, and I think I'm ready to drill. Squeeze out another one. Let's let her rip. Yeah, I was moving around a little bit too. We'll see how it came out. It's up in there. Yeah, it's not the best. But I'm probably going to have to shave some of that off anyways. Alright, so this is going to plug into one side of the lamp socket, and then I'll do a second one on the other side. And we should be able to plug it into the lamp and test it. See if it goes pop. See if I wired it all backwards. Something's not right. You know, my pins are a little bit shy. There we go. Like I did everything right. All my LEDs are lighting. Everything looks good. One problem I got is these pins that this wire I used to plug into the jacks is not quite thick enough, so I might just put a little coating of solder on there to thicken them up. And then yeah, let's go ahead and try and get the blue LEDs on there. Got my blues glowing there. Got all my whites glowing there. So it should be pretty cool. Let's turn her off and put her back together. Yeah, I think that's all glass, so like a frosted glass, so I think it'll be okay. It's touching a little bit. Yeah, so here's a close-up of the light fixture now, or the new LED bulbs put in there, with the wires plugged into the existing light socket, so everything fits in there nice. I got the base apart right now. So you can see it's just a transformer. There's a line cord comes in, kind of wraps around a strain leaf, goes up here through the switch and into the black of the transformer. The neutral side goes to the white of the transformer. The other side of the transformer goes up to the white. So it's just a standard everyday transformer in the base there. I mean, it's pretty high power, and it does buzz quite a bit, so. Okay, try her again. Make sure she's still working here. That'll work. There she is. There's the decorative side. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'm also on Patreon.